Okay, hey guys! So today I am going to walk you through the facial spa. So if you have a facial spa, you know that it can be a little bit overwhelming. You probably don't use it a whole lot because you probably don't know what to do with it. It comes with a few attachments and you can add on a few more attachments. So I'm going to walk you through it and I'm going to show you exactly what you get and how to use it. So this is the facial spa without the attachment on it. And you get two attachments that come with it. This is the facial attachment that comes with it, and this is the eye attachment that comes with it. I'll show you these heads. So that's the eye attachment that comes with it, and this is the facial attachment that comes with it. And you just attach them on, and you make sure that the little clip inside attaches, and you can hear it just kind of clip. And this is the this right here you want to keep wet. So what I usually do is I put a little cotton ball on it, a little cotton pad on it that stays wet, and that way you don't have to keep your hands wet. It's just a little trick that I use. And then on the front, if you just push the button here, it turns on, as you can see, and it kind of goes through the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll take you through all of those numbers. I'll do different videos on the different things to do with these. And then you can also add some different attachments to it. This is the body conductor attachment that we're going to use next. After this video, I'll go through that one with you. There's also another attachment that you can add, but I don't think we sell it here in the US anymore. I think hopefully we'll get it back. And then it also comes with the conductive gel that you use. And then what you're going to want to have, of course, is you're going to want to have your cleansing lotion, gel, whatever you use. I like my cleansing lotion that comes with my Lumispa. So we're going to do that. Just a second here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your cleansing gel, you're going to apply it all over your face. And I don't have a sink right here where I'm at. I'm not in my bathroom, I'm at my vanity. So I have my NAPCA mist, which I love. So I'm just going to spray my face with it because I don't have my water here for my Lumispa. So I'm just going to cleanse my face before I start showing you guys how to use the facial spa. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through all the different modes on the facial spa, and we're going to go through all the different things that you can do with it, and we'll have several different videos. I'll do a different video for each one. And this one is just cleansing your face, and we have a different cleansing line for all types of skin. Again, that's Lumispa. So then I'll just kind of wet my face just a little bit more again so that I can take it off with my wet towel. Of course, like I said, I'm not at my vanity, so normally I would put wet. Feels so good. It's warm. I would have wet water on here. And I'd splash my face. You know how to clean your face, I hope. If not, I'll do a whole segment on just cleaning your face. But I'm just trying to teach you how to do the facial spa right now. I have a piece of hair, sorry, in my mouth.